Life is full of surprises, because what do you mean this little girl is already at college and is now a adult? This little girl once dreamed of becoming a teacher, but growing up, she witnessed her father build something or pagtatalyer and get influence, so she decided to become engineer. Precious human being here is the youngest daughter of Cruz Pagdanganan family, named Lenelu Rain. She loves her name Lenelu as this came from her parents' combined name and from Santa Lucia where her mother wished for her. She's born in Kalumpit, Bulacan on August 22, 2007. Lenelu is the type of person who only functions when she's pressured. She's trying to change that. Would rather protect her inner peace than pleasing other people. Indecisive person, hates physical touch, likes to make DIY gifts like crocheting, would rather stay inside their home than to go out, and would rather solve mathematical problems than to write essay. Lenelu likes to take random pictures of videos to keep as a memory. She's very fond of sunset. She likes to spend time with her family and friends. She's a K-pop fan, loves to watch Korean and Chinese drama. Also, she listens to music almost every day. This girl can wait to be successful and be able to help her family. She believes that everything happens for a reason and that everything will be worth